in this session, I'd like also to show you how you can actually deactivate your Windows Defender, the antivirus for Windows Defender. If you are saying you are using Windows 8, 10, or Windows 11, what you simply do, just come to the search button and just write security. And then you get this, or Windows security. You can simply write here Windows security or just type the security, and then you just click it here. Then this dialog box will open. So what you do, you just come to virus and threat protection. You just double click here. Once you double click here, you just come to manage settings and ensure that you turn off this. Click OK. You turn off. If this one is on, you can just turn off all these. You can see I've already turned some of them off. And that's simply how you actually deactivate your Windows security. If you want to turn it on, you just leave it, or if you restart your machine, it will automatically be activated. So that's how you can see now I've actually activated all my virus or antivirus threats. So maybe you want to install a software and this is becoming like a hurdle, you can always deactivate them by simply clicking here. Then once you do that, you have already activated and you can simply cancel here. So that's all I had for you. Thank you for your time. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.